Hi, hey there, kids. This right here is an improper fraction. How do I know? I know that because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Okay? Now, we need to figure out how many wholes there are in 35 fourths, because this right here is a fraction bigger than 1. Okay? So, every time I make the numerator and denominator the same, that's worth 1, right? That's worth 1 whole. But this right here is a fraction bigger than 1. All right, let's figure out how many wholes there are in there. So I start off by counting how many times the numerator and denominator can be the same. So this is 4 fourths, that's 1. This is 4 fourths again, that's 2. This is 4 fourths again, that's 3. Now, how many fourths do I have so far? I have 4 fourths, 8 fourths, 12 fourths. If I do it again, I'm going to have 16 fourths, right? If I do it again, I'm going to have 20 fourths. If I do it again, I'm going to have 24 fourths. If I do it again, I'm going to have 28 fourths. If I do it again, I'm going to have 32 fourths. Can I do it again? No, because then I'd have 36 fourths, and we're only trying to make 35 fourths. So the last one here, I was up to 32 fourths, so I just need to go 3 more fourths, and then I'm up to 35 fourths, okay? Now, each one of these right here, anytime the numerator and denominator are the same, that's worth 1 whole. So how many wholes do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I have that 3 fourths right there. So it's going to be 8 wholes and then 3 fourths. Now there's an easier way of doing this right here, and you can do it by understanding that this line right here really means divided by. Okay, so we can say 35 divided by 4. Let's do that. 35 divided by 4. 4 goes into 35 8 times. 8 times 4 is 32. Subtract and you get a 3. Okay, so the quotient is 8. That becomes our whole number. Okay, the remainder becomes the numerator. That's a 3. And the divisor becomes our denominator. So that equals 8 and 3 fourths right there. Same as over here, right? 8 and 3 fourths, 8 and 3 fourths. Kids, there you go. That's how you take an improper fraction and you make it into a mixed number. Sometimes they call it a fraction greater than 1. Okay? There you go. Go ahead and give it a try. If you can do 5 of these in a row, we will give you a, I don't know, lemon head or something like that. All right, talk to you later. Bye-bye.